Detailed syllabus for the post of electricity worker in Kerala State Electricity Board Limited. Category number 21/2026. Total mark 100. Module 1 10 mark. Basic electricity. Fundamental of electricity. Flux and soldering technique. Property of resistance. Conductor, insulator, semiconductor. Types of wires and cables. Module 2 10 mark. Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, effect of variation of temperature on resistance, chemical effect of electric current, laws of resistance, different type of cells, grouping of cells, care and maintenance of cell, buckling, sedimentation. Module 3 10 mark. Magnetism. Classification of magnetic properties, para, dia and ferromagnetic material, electromagnetism, Fleming's left and right hand rule, MMF, flux density, reluctance, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, Lenz's law, capacitor, types and functions. Module 4 10 mark. Alternating current and earthing. Alternating current, earthing, types of wiring both domestic and industrial, grading of cable and wires, current rating, testing of installation by Megher. Module 5 10 mark. DC machine, DC generators and type, EMF equation, description of series, shunt and compound generator, DC motors and type, starters, 3-point, 4-point and speed control machine. Module 6 10 mark. AC motors, single and 3-phase, AC motors and starters, single phase and 3-phase, DOL, star, delta, slip ring motor starter, auto transformer starter, AC motor, panel wiring, phase sequence. Module 7 10 mark. Instrument and transformers, measuring instruments, induction type and deflecting types, controlling torque and damping torque, basic principles of transformer, EMF equation of transformers, parallel operation of transformers, cooling, protective device. Module 8 10 mark. Illumination and basic electronics. Illumination, laws of illumination, types of lamp, domestic appliance, semiconductor, P-type, N-type, classification of diode, rectifier, transistor, etc. Module 9 10 mark. Power generation. Generation, source of energy, various types of power generation. Module 10 marks. Transmission and distribution, comparison of AC and DC transmission. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി.